Hello everyone, let's try this question. This question says that the pole is subjected to the force F, which has the components acting along the x, y, z axes as shown. If the magnitude of force F is 3 kilonewton and beta which is equal to 30 degree and gamma which is equal to 75 degree, determine the magnitudes of its three components. So the question says that you are going to find out the value of Fx, value of Fy, and lastly value of Fz. So according to the direction of cosines, we know that cos alpha which is equal to Fx upon F. Similarly, cos beta which is equal to Fy upon F, and lastly cos gamma which is equal to Fz upon F. If you see that cos alpha which is equal to Fx upon F, we don't know the value of alpha there. So that's why we cannot find out the value of Fx. But if you see that cos beta which is equal to Fy upon F, we know the value of beta as well as we know the value of F. We easily find out the value of Fy. So it will become Fy which is equal to F into cos of beta. So the value of F, it is nothing but 3 kilonewton. So it will become 3 into 10 raised to the power 3 into cos of, and the value of beta, it is nothing but 30 degree. So the value of Fy, it will be 2598.07 Newton, or you can say that it will equal to 2.59 kilonewton. Similarly, if you see that cos gamma which is equal to Fz upon F, we know the value of gamma. So we easily find out the value of Fz here. So Fz which is equal to F into cos of gamma. So the value of F, it is nothing but 3 into 10 raised to the power 3, and the value of gamma, it is nothing but 75 degree. So 3 into 10 raised to the power 3 into cos 75 degree, it will become 776.45 Newton, or you can say that it will become 0.776 kilonewton. This is basically the value of Fz. But how do we find out the value of Fx? We know that the square sum of direction of cosines are equal to 1, and it will be written as cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma are equal to 1. Okay, so cos square alpha which is equal to 1 minus cos square beta minus cos square gamma. So we know the value of beta, it is 30 degree, and we know the value of gamma, it is 75 degree. So cos square alpha which is equal to 1 minus cos 30 degree whole square minus cos 75 degree whole square. So it will become cos square alpha, and this expression give us the value of 0.183. So if you take square root of this expression, so it will become cos alpha which is equal to 0.427. This is basically the value of cos alpha. So putting the value of cos alpha into this expression, this is basically cos alpha which is equal to Fx upon F. So it will become Fx which is equal to F into cos of alpha. The value of F, it is nothing but 3 into 10 raised to the power 3, and the value of cos alpha, it is nothing but 0.4277. So it will become Fx which is equal to 1283.39 Newton, or it is equal to 1.283 kilonewton. Now the question has been solved here and your concept too. So please like, comment, subscribe and share it with your friends. Jazakallah. Take care. Allah Hafiz.